How to fix Facebook Messenger, select an account, login problem solved. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video, I'll simply show you how you can fix Facebook Messenger, select an account, login problem. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now sometimes when you're just trying to open a Messenger, it simply says you to select an account in order to log in. Now this could be first of all happening due to many reasons. The very first thing of course you want to do is just go ahead and then open up settings, and then once you open settings, go to apps. And as you go to apps, you simply want to go to the application called Messenger, of course, since we're learning to fix that. Once you go to Messenger, go to storage, clear cache, and if possible also clear the data. Once you clear the cache files and data, just open up your Facebook application and make sure that you're signed into your Facebook account as well. Now if you have multiple Facebook accounts, you want to make sure to simply switch between those accounts. And then after that, you want to open up your Play Store, and in the search box you just want to type in Messenger. Once you type in Messenger, make sure you have updated the Messenger app to the latest version, because updating fixes most of the bugs and errors that usually exist in the previous versions of the application. If this doesn't help, then finally you can just open it up. Now we're going to simply switch our accounts manually. So first of all, we'll open up Messenger. It will log into my Facebook account. Now since this is after I resetted the application, this is going to take a while. Now as you can see, it asks me to continue as my own profile depending upon which Facebook account you are logged in on Facebook. Now after you do this, what you want to do is tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen, and then here you'll find the option called switch accounts at the very top. You can simply switch to any other accounts that you would personally like in order to go ahead and then help solve this problem. Hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.